This little show and tell is going to be with the Faema Baby Faemina Crema Cafe Espresso machine. It operates on a very simple principle that this is the filter basket, combination cylinder and filter basket. This is the portafilter frame, and this is the almost like a leading block, but this acts as a filter tamper that goes into the cylinder. It has various parts. The machine itself is all cast hot metal with a hammered finish, and they come in various colors. The principle is very simple. The piston goes up when you cock it, pushes down through the cylinder when you push the arms down. This piston seal, this is the original, and it is solid rubber, molded piece that has a solid face. This was cut in half for removal. As you can see, there's very complicated architecture of this seal. This part here fits in a groove on the end of the piston and holds it in place. This has the leading edge here. But we were able to come up with a design that would both hold on to the end of the piston and produce the needed seal on the front edge. You do have to put a lot of Dow 111 lubricant in here to make sure that it seals properly, since we don't have that solid face. But this is, as I said, an espresso machine. It does not brew a French press or drip or even the aerobie that some of us are familiar with. You mix the water with the coffee and let it steep, and then you filter it out by various means. This one, the coffee is in one lever at the bottom, the water's above it, and the water pushes through at pressure, extracting and making the cream cafe. Alright, first, to run the machine, I have some espresso ground coffee here, and we'll just go ahead and we'll make a double, which means we'll have 2 tablespoons, or about 14 grams of coffee. Put in the bottom, set this aside. As you can see, the potential for making extremely strong cups of coffee is there. 3 scoops, 4 scoops. I like to push this down to the bottom so it's nice and flat. There's our basket in there. One thing that I often forget to do is raise those bunny ears. Now that the rabbit ears are up, I'm all ready to go. Got my hot water here over on the side, and it will pretty much stay right in there with no extraction taking place. I'm doing this backwards just so you can see. It just hangs in there in the frame. Now the piston is pushing into the cylinder, that front seal, and I do need a cup now, don't I? Alright, and we just are working our water down into the puck. We've got some drips, so we'll put on the pressure. The nice long arms give a good mechanical advantage. And that is our Faema Baby Faemina Cream Cafe.